to all of you. Today we are conducting a mock interview for UP Sainik School class 7. So please subscribe this channel for these types of more informative videos. So let's continue this interview. So please tell me something about you.
My name is Devra Singh. My father name is Mr. Rajkumar. My mother name is Mrs. Krishna Devi, and I want to become an army officer.
Okay, you want to become an army officer. So why you join UP Sainik School? How is it be helpful for you?
Because UP Sainik School provide discipline, so I crack NDA.
Okay,
It
it is be helpful for UPSC NDA exams.
Yes.
And preparing best and giving you strength and discipline,
Yes,
so
sir.
qualities. Okay, it is be located in
Lucknow.
Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh.
Yes.
You know that who is the first CM of Uttar Pradesh?
Yes. Pandit Govind Vallam Pant.
Okay, and the present governor?
Anandi Ben Patel.
Okay, the Uttar Pradesh state. You know that what is the national language? What is the state language of Uttar Pradesh?
Urdu and Hindi.
Okay, and what is the which state has a state language is Sanskrit?
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Okay, Uttarakhand is famous for
Mountains.
mountains, and you also be know that the Uttarakhand also be the region of Uttar Pradesh, and is be separated and converted into first and the ancient name of Uttarakhand is Uttaranchal. Then after converted to Uttarakhand,
Yes.
it is be become the state in which year to separate Uttar Pradesh?
In 2005.
No, in 2000. Okay, so our longest river of India is
Ganga.
Ganga. Ganga also be originated from Uttarakhand. You know that which
Yes.
location?
Gangotri Glacier.
Gangotri Glacier. Okay. And India has how many types of river?
4 types, mainly 4 types.
Mainly 4 types of river. Okay.
Himalayan-
Ganga is a Himalayan river, or which category of Ganga river?
It is a Himalayan river.
Okay. What is the speciality of Himalayan river?
It's originate from glacier or mountains.
Okay. The largest tributary of Ganga?
Yamuna.
Yamuna. Yamuna is confluence with Ganga at which place?
Prayagraj.
Prayagraj. Okay. Prayagraj is famous for confluence of Ganga, Yamuna, and the other third river is
Saraswati.
Saraswati is not be in existence today.
Yes.
You know that this river is belong to which time period?
1500 BC.
No, at the time period of Indus Valley and ancient also. Indus Valley civilization is good civilization of the world.
Yes.
Now today's time and that time, so there are only 5 civilizations like that. So what is the time period of Indus Valley? You know that?
I forget. Sorry.
Okay, the only harbor of Indus Valley civilization.
Mohenjo-daro.
Mohenjo-daro is not. It is a graveyard of
Lothal.
Lothal. Lothal belongs to which region now?
In Pakistan.
Lothal is Pakistan.
Lahore.
No.
Sindh.
Lahore is a harbor. Harbor means a location which will be near about ocean.
In Gujarat.
Gujarat. You will not be confirmed about for this. Lothal belongs to Gujarat. It is a harbor of Indus Valley civilization, which gives the evidence of that it have the mercantile ships and also be going for the trading to other civilizations. Okay, the invention of wheel is be happened in which time period?
Neolithical age.
Neolithic age.
Yes.
Okay. So you want to join as a army officer,
Yes.
not to join as a navy and air force officer.
Because the army uniform is attractive.
Army uniform is attractive for you.
Yes.
Only that's one reason.
Yes.
Okay. You know that who is the first commander in chief of army?
KM Karyappa.
KM Karyappa, and first field marshal
SHF Manikso.
and present army chief
And Manoj Mukund Naravali.
Manoj Mukund Naravali. Okay. The India purchased recently Rafale fighter jets from which country?
France.
France. Which company is produced in France?
The Salt.
The Salt. Okay. The India's developed aircraft. What is the Tejas? Okay. Tejas is the name of which language?
Tejas in Hindi.
No.
Right.
It is a Sanskrit name. It is given by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And the famous body for which we construct and also manufacture this Tejas. What is the name of this?
HAL.
HL. Full form of HL?
Hindustan Aeronautic Limited.
Okay, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. You know that the Apache helicopter is being purchased from which country?
USA.
USA. Okay. And first nuclear capable submarine of India.
INS Vikram.
No. It will be INS Aryant.
Aryan, sorry.
Okay. What is the motto of Air Force?
Nav is first Deeptam.
Navasparsam Deeptham.
Yes.
And Army Day celebrated on which?
15 Jan.
15 Jan. Okay. Then what are your weaknesses and strength?
My strength in maths.
Maths.
Yes.
Subject wise and quality wise. We talk about quality wise. What qualities which you we feel that which is in our mind and body.
Discipline, courage,
Okay.
and helpful for others. I am helpful for others.
You are supporting the others and to
Yes.
help the others.
Yes.
Like as poor and supporting people and needy people also.
Yes.
Okay. So what are your weaknesses?
My weaknesses are I am late sleep at night.
Okay. And what are your friends thinking about for you?
He thinking that I am a very confident.
You are confident. You are full of confidence.
Yes.
Okay. So why are we join you as a cadet in our UP Sainik school?
Because I do anything for army.
For army and nation.
Yes.
Okay. You talk about that your favorite subject is maths.
Yes.
Which is the two number? Their product is 5.
2.5 and 2.
Okay. And it is subtracted from 80 how many times?
5.
8 is subtracted from 80 how many times?
1.
Only one times.
80 subtracted from 80.
No, you listen first question that then you respond. 8 is subtracted from 80. How many times?
10.
10 times. Okay. If an article is sold in 600 rupees at a gain of 20%, then what is the cost price of this article?
500.
500. Okay. If a car running at a speed of 54 km per hour, he takes to cross a 600 meter bridge in how many seconds?
What speed?
54 km per hour.
54 kilometer
Per hour.
It how many length?
The length of the bridge is 600 meter.
And train?
No train. Car's speed. A car is crossing a bridge which is 600 meter long. The car's speed is 54 km per hour. Then what is the time taken by it to cross the bridge?
40 seconds.
40 seconds. Okay. You feel nervous? No. Because you said that you have a quality of confidence, but you feel nervous. I feel.
No.
No. You are sure about for that your qualities which you will tell to me.
Yes.
Okay. Give the one reason that we consider you as a joint cadet in our school.
Because I am.
You are unable to give the reason, then how will you join?
I am confident. I am disciplined and confident.
You also be said so many times, but this is not a reason. How you will prove that you have a good discipline? You have confidence. Okay. So my last question is this: what you will do for your nation?
Anything.
Anything.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for this interview.